Good afternoon. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon object-oriented programming. Now my topic is on inheritance. How the inheritance will be used in the object-oriented programming. Let us see one by one. Inheritance means it's creating a new classes based on existing classes. A class that inherit from another class can reuse the methods and fields of that class. It has a mechanisms in Java which when one class is allowed in inheritance, inherit the features, fields and methods of another classes. For example, it is a parent-child method. If we are having a parent like methods and fields of parent class, it will be inherited from child class or any other new fields and methods they only created for the their own subclasses, their own child class. There is an inheritance. In this we are having an example here. Animal is an class, dog, cat, cow is an subclasses. This is an inheritance. In this there is the usage of inheritances, code reusability, method overriding, abstractions. Code reusability means the code written in a superclass is common to all subclasses. Child classes can directly use the parent class node. Method overriding is an achievable one. Through inheritance, it is one of the way by which Java achieves runtime polymorphism. Abstraction is a concept where we do not have to provide all details is achieved through inheritance, and then abstractions only show the functionality to the users. Key terminologies: class, subclass and superclass, superclass and parent class, subclass and child class, extend keyword. Class is a set of objects that share common characteristics, behaviors and common properties and attributes. Class is not a real world entity, it is just a template or Bluetooth or prototype from which objects are created. Superclass and our parent class is the same, and the class whose features are inherited is known as superclass, or a base class or a parent class. Subclass is an inherits the another class is known as subclass, are derived as an extend class and class, child class, etc. Extend keyword is used to inherit the properties from superclass. If you are having a parent class and child class, while using a child class, the child class name extends parent class name. By using an extends keyword, the parent class will be inherited by the superclass, child class. In this we are having a types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid, multi-level and hierarchy. Multiple inheritance is not accepted the classes, so in Java it not be accessible for multiple inheritance. So using an interface we are taken up the multiple inheritance towards the Java topic. Single inheritance means it is a subclass, is derived from one superclass derived from one superclass. It inherits the properties and behavior of single parent class. If having a car is a class, it will be derived. Vehicle is a base class and derived from the car is a class. Multi-level inheritance means it is a multi-level. The derived class can be inherited a base class as well as a derived class also act as a base class from another classes. If you are having an base 1 class 1, that is in grandfather is in parent class father is in class subclass 1, child is in subclass 2. Hierarchy inheritance means more than one subclass is inherited from single base classes, that is more than one derived class is created from a single base class. For example, if a car, bus, boats are vehicle. If you are having a vehicle class, it will be on two types, car is also having, bus is also having. Multiple inheritance means it is not used in the Java, so one class can have more than one superclass and inherit features from all parent classes. So by using an interface, we are showing the multiple interface here, multiple inheritance in this concept. Hybrid is a mixture of two or more of the above type of inheritance. You can achieve hybrid inheritance only through interface. If you want to involve multiple inheritance to implement hybrid inheritance. Vehicle is a class, extends with car or extends with bus, and then bus would be implemented with an interface fair. Okay, it is a mind map for the inheritance topic. By inheritance, in this we are having an method overriding and method overloading. In this parent class and polymorphism. Parent class is a class with having an child subclasses, methods and attributes are there. In the class we are having an objects of the classes. This is a topic and with having a show as a mind map for the inheritance concept. Thank you.